So he's currently ninth on 53.0. Flag out there, but it's gone back in again. Lewis Hamilton very quick in the first sector. He's done 14 laps in this session, so he's getting his money's worth in the HRT. First session. Daniel's on a personal best lap this lap, but his best has been a 1:59.8, so there's an enormous discrepancy. Hamilton again quick in the second sector. That's his first really quick lap. Hamilton, and now Lewis to the top on a 1:48.5 with just over 9 minutes remaining.